Okay, so let's begin by skimming and scanning this question. Now, as you can have a look, that this question most likely is about living organisms, and this is what they've been discussing: living organisms and infection. Okay, although for centuries preparations derived from living dash were applied to wounds to destroy infection. Living what? So living is kind of like an adjective. So the next thing very likely should be a noun, right? So living what? Living animals were applied to wounds to destroy animals. Like we wouldn't say it as living animals. Living human, no. Living being also, that's not the right collocation. So I'll go with living matter. Matter is the best one, right? The fact that a microorganism is dash of destroying one of another species was not dash until the later half of the 19th century. The fact that microorganism is. So after the word is, what do you need? It's usually a verb in the third form or ing, or even like a simple verb would do it. Let's have a look. So I cannot say is misguided or destroying, like they're not talking about misguiding something. Even though we have that tense over there, I wouldn't say raised as well or doing to, because it's not making any sense. You don't you this They're not talking about misguiding someone. They're not talking about raising a species. They're not talking about doing something. So they're saying that something is capable of destroying one of another species was not dash until the later half of the 19th century. Was not discovered, realized. So I would probably go with because it's in the past. That's why I said discovered or realized. So I think I will go with the best one is established. We cannot. The other things is not making sense, like raising or focusing on growing, because we're talking about the past. It has to be something in the past. When Pasteur noted the antagonistic effect of other bacteria on anthrax organism and pointed out that this action might be put to dash use. So the word use is like a noun. So we need to find out what kind of use. So very likely the answer of this blank very much would be like an adjective. Okay, this is what the answer could be. So let's have a look. Let's try to figure out what would be the sense over here. To dash use. Proper use, not really. Domestic use, you're not using it for household help. Medicine use, no, it can be medicinal use because medicine would be a noun and it wouldn't make sense. I would go with therapeutic because therapeutic means related to medicine. Okay, let's confirm and watch what is the right answer. There you go. So, guys, skimming and scanning, reading the passage, and trying to eliminate the answer options really helps. Good luck, and please read the collocations carefully.